UAPB has a lot to offer you, especially within our STEM and technology programs. We have so much to offer. Also, going back and remembering what Dr. Talley said at the beginning, we will be following CDC guidelines, so your class sizes will be much smaller. All courses will have online and traditional options. So even if at this very moment that we're hosting this event live, your schedule has a physical location, always remember that there will be another option for you via Blackboard. Each course is on track to have a Blackboard shell. So you say, well, what is Blackboard, Ms. Green? I don't know what you're talking about. Blackboard is a platform that the university has that delivers coursework online. So always remember that regardless of if it has a physical location, and you have not been able to get back in touch with your academic advisor to make a schedule change, don't fret, don't worry, there's time, and we're making those adjustments on the academic side of the house to ensure our students are safe and that you are able to take the coursework in the format that you wish to take it. Also want to go back and talk a little bit more about scholarships. If you don't qualify for an academic scholarship at this time, remember, all incoming students will receive $500. All incoming transfer students will receive $1,000. If you're not on any other academic scholarship, you can receive that. If you have not heard from your scholarship application and you have questions you think you qualify, you can always reach out to the Office of Recruitment and ask to speak with Ms. Amanda Kirkland, who is the university scholarship coordinator, and she can check on the status of your application for you.
Ms. Green, we also, we have our Grow to Pride campaign as well. So look, we're still accepting applications for the fall.
Yes, we are.
Previously, we've had an application deadline, but we want to give you every chance to come to UAPB. So if you haven't made the decision to come yet, or if you chose another institution, which was the wrong choice to make,
it's okay.
And you want to fix that choice.
They went to sleep real quick.
Right. We want to help you. We want to help you. We want you to come to UAPB. Also, I want you to know that if you have a friend who chose another school and you need some additional money, I want to give you $100 per student that you recruit to come to UAPB.
Yes.
So if you have some friends that may have chosen a less stellar institution than UAPB, recruit them to UAPB and we'll give them $100, give you $100 for each student that you recruit for the fall.
Yes, sounds like a plan. So what more is there to think about? Come on over to UAPB and become a part of the Pride, okay? You have 4 people that are sitting here before you with a host of others across campus administration, faculty, and staff, not just in the Division of Enrollment Management and Student Success, but Student Affairs, Academic Affairs, Finance and Administration. We're all here with open arms to welcome you to campus and help you transition to UAPB. If you have questions, again, don't forget to drop them in the chat box, and Mr. Strong will get those to us. Also, you can text us, 870-337-2063. And if you have questions about getting involved on campus, remember the Get Involved campaign and slogan that Dean Brown and her staff are using. Get involved at uapb.edu.
That's right. Thank you, Ms. Green.
But don't wait and don't sleep on it. There are still a few academic scholarships available through the Office of Recruitment. Students are collecting those scholarships as we speak, so don't wait too late.
Get that scholarship acceptance form back in as soon as possible. The other thing also is you'll start to see here shortly bills to start getting generated. As your housing assignments get posted, your class schedules get posted, our registrar will start to get that tuition calculation going. So in order for you to have a full picture of what it's going to look like or what it's going to cost you, make sure you apply for all available funds. Like I said, it's not too late. If you think you may want to change your major at this point, it's not too late. Classes have not started. The Office of Admissions can help you get that done. Again, I'm not trying to steal anybody's thunder, so I'm not even going to go down that road. But again, like I said, the School of Agriculture does have dollars. If you're undecided, if you're undecided and you're thinking, you're teetering, I don't know what I want to do. I think I want to major in business. There's ag business. That's just saying. No shade, School of Business and Management, but there are options. So just think about it. There are scholarship dollars out there. We have that money from the federal government that is waiting for for you as incoming students. So please, by all means, I'm sure Dr. Carter, Dr. Butler, they will be more than happy to answer your questions. Again, visit www.uapb.edu. There's a slider that says Ag Scholarships. Click on it. You can see the link for the 1890 scholarship. It lists all of the majors within the division, and you can fill out that application, and Dr. Carter or someone else in the division will be more than happy to speak with you about the scholarship offer and making sure that you are declared the correct major. It is not too late. If you have not submitted all of your documents, please get those into us. You can scan and email. As long as it's official, has a signature, we can tell it's real, and you didn't screenshot or try to create your own thing. You can email that to us at admissions@uapb.edu. Get those documents in so that there will be nothing blocking your financial aid from being posted to your account. Waivers, your neighbors of Arkansas, your Shelby County, Golden Opportunity, remember, none of those will post to your account until after the 11th day of class, because we want to capture what is known as census data. So you have an opportunity to make schedule changes and all of those things through, I believe it's August 28th. So we want to make sure that no changes are made and students are in the required hours. They have everything they need to meet all of those eligibilities before we post those awards, because we much rather post it after the fact than to post it and then have to take it back because something happened and something didn't take place. So always get that information in to us, and if you have questions, again, you see the numbers on the screen. Make sure you text us, make sure you email us, and we are more than willing to help you and assist in any way possible.